Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a video to your Wix website. Now just follow these simple steps and you will be able to do that. Now the first thing guys you want to do, you want to click this plus in the top left that says add elements. Click on it. Now after that guys you want to select here video and music. As you can see, video and music. Now you will find here a few different options. If you don't find here video and music, just search for video in the top here, in the top right that says here search. As you can see, click search and then search for video if you don't see it here. Now if you see here video and music, click on it. Now after that guys, it will give you a few different options. As you can see, transparent. If you want to add transparent video, you can add it. As you can see, if you want to add video box, if you want to add Wix video. But for a lot of people, like most people who are going to watch this video, they want to add a single video. Should just select single video players, and then as you can see here that says here upload video, this video in the top, like click on it as you can see and drag it to your website. Press and hold on it and then drag it to your website. Now next thing guys you want to do, you want to click on change video so that you can add your own video as you want. Now click on change video. Now after that guys you want to click on, after you select here where you want your video to be uploaded from. For example, if you have the video on your laptop, you can just select here your computer, and then after that you want to click on change video. As you can see, next thing guys you want to do, you want to click on upload media in the top left. As you can see, upload media here, click on it and then click on upload from computer, and then you can select the video that you want. For example, I'm going to select this video. As you can see, already here I added a video here, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to upload a new one. Now as you can see, this is the video. After it's uploaded, you want to click on add to page. As you can see at the very bottom right, it says here add to page. Click on add to page, and as you can see here, we have all added the video. You can minimize it, you can resize it as you want, you can move it anywhere you want on your website. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you want to add a YouTube video, just click on YouTube and then copy the link of a YouTube video and paste it here. It will be added automatically to your Wix website. Okay, see you guys in the next video.